How to use Google Maps Street View on phone. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all, download the Google Map from your App Store or Play Store if you have not already. Then simply open the Google Maps app on your device. It works for both iPhone or Android. And just make sure that you are signed in using your Google account. Once inside the Google Map, so all you have to do is simply tap on the search address bar at the top and type the place or address or area you want to see the street view of. So here I'm simply typing down the Tokyo. Then if the street view is available, you'll see a small image preview in the bottom left corner. Tap on that street view thumbnail and you are now in the street view mode. Simply tap on it. So all you have to do is swipe your finger to look around 360-degree view. Or if you do not want this address to be viewed, then all you have to do is go back to the search address bar and type down the other address, or you can simply tap on the map available there. You can simply tap on the location to drop a pin. Then here you can swipe your finger, tap on the road to move forward and pinch to zoom in or out as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.